Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm very excited to be doing my first Nordstrom Anniversary Sale haul. Last year I was able to shop the sale, but I only got a few things. This year I definitely splurged a bit more. So yeah, I'm really excited to show what I've picked up. Most of the stuff, or no, I shouldn't say most of the stuff, but some of the stuff I was able to order online and pick up in store. That was a little bit of a mess. Things didn't really turn out how I thought they would. Unfortunately, some of the things that I had ordered online to pick up in store, I guess, became unavailable at some point. So they canceled those items and I didn't find out until I went to go pick up my stuff today. So I was able to place an order on some of those items, after I found that out today. Other things were already sold out. It is what it is. I still got some pretty neat things, so I'm going to share with you what I got to pick up today. And then I'm going to post pictures of the items that I'm waiting to get shipped to my house. So let's just go ahead and get started. This little guy right here. So this is the I Love YSL little kit, and in here you get 2 lip products. You get this one here. It's more of I think this one's called, I'm gonna butcher this. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try, but I know I'm gonna butcher it. It's called the Volupté, I don't think that's right. Okay, it's a tint and balm. So this is, let's put that down. This is how it looks inside, and it's got, you can tell like it's balmy. This is in the shade Call Me Rose, and yeah, this is very pretty. I have been into balmy lipsticks. I've mentioned that already a few times. And then the other one it comes with is called here's this word again. The Volupté Plump in Color. So this gives you more of an intense color, and it's supposed to also give you a high shine while nourishing your lips. So I'm very excited to have these 2 I Love YSL lipsticks, and yeah, I'm very excited to be using those. Now next, I got this New Lash Enhancing Kit. This is amazing. So I typically use the Grande Lash, and I started getting it from Amazon, and then Sephora started carrying it, so I would order from Sephora, and I love that one. But when I ran out, Ulta was having, I don't even know what brand I have right now, honestly, but it's from Ulta, and that one was a lot cheaper, but I feel like it doesn't do a good of a job as the Grande Lash does, or as this one. Now I have used this one once before and it works really well, but the Grande Lash is cheaper, which is why I usually go for that one. It's cheaper than this one. It's still kind of expensive, but it is cheaper than this one. However, you get a huge deal with this because you pretty much get 2 for the price of 1. This is gonna last me about 6 months. So I'm very excited. I love how my lashes look when I use this consistently. I definitely recommend it. If you guys have been looking for something like this, this is totally worth it. It's a good try. Again, I know the price is up there, but it's definitely, to me, it's definitely worth it. Another thing I picked up is this PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So this is really nice. And now I have the Clarisonic, and I love it. I've had that one for, it's been at least 5 years, and it still works really well. But I kind of like to use that one in the shower, so I keep it in there. But I wanted something for me to have out on my sink all the time. So I opted for this one. I think things like these are very good, especially for somebody that wears makeup regularly, because it really helps clean out your skin, clean out your pores, and it's very gentle. When I felt it in store, I didn't feel like it was very abrasive. So I do have quite sensitive skin, so I think something like this will work quite well for me. I hope it does. I will definitely keep you guys updated on this little product here. Now I have been needing a new hair straightener for quite some time already. The one that I've had for several years, and I never really liked it all that much, honestly. So today I feel like my hair is super big. I went a little ham when I curled my hair, and it's a little bit too curly for my liking. I feel like I should be wearing a dress and be going to somebody's wedding or quinceañera or something. I don't know. It's not a hairstyle that I would wear regularly like this. But anyway, back to straightening my hair. So I saw this one, and they also had the T3 available. It's also another hair straightener, and I'm a huge fan of T3 products. I have their blow dryer and several of their hair curlers, so I am a fan of those, but I really liked how this one looked. This one's just a lot more sleek, and I feel like it would make it easier for me to kind of create a little bit of a wave with the shape of this hair straightener. Okay, I didn't even tell you guys what it is actually. It's the GHD Platinum Plus Professional Performance 1-inch Styler. And this is how it looks inside. I thought it was so freaking pretty. Definitely expensive, but I don't have like normal hair. I have a ton of hair to begin with. It's very coarse. It's like a combination of really thin and then very coarse hair. It's not straight, but it doesn't really have too much of a curl to it. My hair is just confused. It doesn't know what it wants to do, how it wants to act, so it's just all over the place. So for me, investing on hair tools has always kind of been a thing that it works better for me. So I'm very excited about it. We'll see how that turns out. Also, I am running low on my body cream. I've been using I believe it's called Hava body lotion. I actually got that one when it was on sale at Ulta, so I picked up 2. I kept one for myself. I gave the other one to my husband. He loves it. But I'm running low, and I saw the reviews on this one were amazing. It's from Kiehl's, and it's called Creme de la Corpse. And yeah, we'll see how this one works out for me. It's definitely gonna last me a while. The scent is okay, it's nothing special, but I don't think it's one of those scents that's really gonna linger. Plus, it's also good because I don't think it's gonna interfere when I put on perfume or like my body sprays or anything. So the scent doesn't seem to be anything special, but it's not really something I'm concerned about. I just hope that the formula works well because it's Kiehl's, so it's definitely up there. So next I got these Jo Malone candles. The one that I have lit up behind me is the lime, basil, and mandarin candle. And it comes with 2 other ones. So these are a little bit smaller than what I was expecting, but I think for like a small room, it's actually perfect. So this is how the box looks. It's very pretty. And then these are the other 2 candles. So you get English pear and freesia. Oh my gosh, I suck with my pronunciation. And then pony and blush suede. So yeah, they all smell really nice. They have like more of an elegant scent to them. Definitely not very fruity, but it's also like not overpowering where it's gonna, end up giving me a headache. At least I hope not. I also purchased another set of candles. Those I was even more excited about is from the brand Diptyque. I'll have a picture up here somewhere. That was one of the products that I thought I was going to be picking up in store today, but it ended up getting canceled. So I just went ahead and ordered it online. Now, as far as clothing items, I pretty much just got sweaters. Actually, no, that's not true. I got 2 t-shirts, just plain t-shirts, a white and a black one. But besides that, it was really just like cardigans that I purchased. I did want to get a pair of jeans from Topshop. It was a dad jeans, and I had them in my cart. And when I first went in to place the order, I was actually at work, so I had to take a break real quick. And my order was not going through. I kept getting an error when I was pressing the place order button. So it wasn't until about 5 hours later that it actually went through. So I have no idea what was going on. They probably just had a really high volume of customers purchasing online. So when it was finally going through, my size of jeans was out of stock. So that I was very upset about because I was super excited about those jeans, but it's okay. But anyway, so the 2 cardigans that I got to pick up today are these. This one is from Barefoot Dreams, and it is so soft. I now see why people are obsessed with this brand. I also ordered a few more that I'll be getting online. It's pretty long. From the front, it's definitely like you have like this extra material where you can just kind of wrap yourself with it. Yeah, very comfortable, and it has pockets as well. And then I also got this one. This is from Topshop, and this one is also a large. I'm not sure if I mentioned that this one is a large. So is this one, and this is just one of those kind of like oversized sweaters that you can kind of have like off the shoulders a little bit. I was in love with the length and the color of this sweater. So here are the products that I am waiting to get shipped to me. So this is from Sisley Paris. It's the All Eyes on Sisley set. Now this comes with the eye mask, and I am obsessed with this Sisley eye mask. I love it. So this eye mask is really good. I highly recommend it. Definitely pricey, but definitely worth it to me. I actually wish I had put it on today. I was just kind of more of in a rush getting ready this morning, but my eyes could have definitely used this mask today. Then it also comes with an eye cream along with a cooling tool to apply that eye cream. That one I haven't used before, but I hear great things about it, so I'm very excited to try that out as well. I also got the Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic The Wild Throw Blanket. This has been, every time I hear about the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, it's like it's always followed by somebody mentioning these blankets from Barefoot Dreams. So I got the classic Midnight Camel, and yeah, that's gonna be very nice. It's a really beautiful one. And then I just got, yeah, like the sweaters that I had mentioned earlier and those candles. Oh, also I got a pair of boots. So these boots I actually saw in store today. They couldn't find one of my bags. I was literally waiting for about 30 minutes for them to find it. I wasn't upset with the workers because there was like a lot going on. Can't really blame them. I've worked retail before. I know things can get very hectic, especially during sales like this. So, you know, I mean, things happen. Luckily, they were able to find my bag, so it was no big deal. But while they were looking, I was browsing the shoe section and I saw these boots. I wanted them in brown, but I ended up picking them up in black. So these are the Born Uchi knee-high boots. So yeah, so I ended up getting the black distressed leather ones. All right, guys, so that's it as far as my Nordstrom Anniversary Sale haul. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Please let me know if you have questions on any of these products down below. And if you haven't yet, also please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Until next time.